Ukulele tutorial tayo ng ABT by Rose and Bruno Mars. Madali lang po yung chords niya at kayang-kaya ng mga beginner. Okay ang kapoy sa first fret at ang mga chords ay B minor, A, G, at D. Pagdating sa B minor, first string, second string at third string ay second fret and fourth string ay fourth fret. Kung nahirapan kayo dito, pwedeng ganito na lang yung gamitin nyo sa B minor, alternative chord. Bali nakamute yung sa fourth string, and then yung tutunog lang yung sa first string, second string at third string ng second fret. Pwedeng ganito yung gamitin nyo sa B minor kung nahirapan kayo dito. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern na gagamitin natin ay down, down, up, down, up. Try natin sa B minor, alternative chord. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Kissy face, send to your bone that try to kiss her lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on. Come give me something I can feel. And then pre-chorus. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the... And then sa chorus, apatsi, 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 apatsi. And then balik lang ulit sa verse. It's whatever you like. Turn this apathy into a club. I'm talking drink and smoke, big party all night. Come back, girl, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the apathy, apathy. Apathy, apathy, ha. Apathy, apathy. Apathy, apathy, ha. Okay, yan po ang chorus. And then pagdating naman sa bridge, may nadagdag lang na dalawang chord, F sharp at E. Pagdating sa F sharp, yung index finger ay sa first fret, and then second string ay second fret, and fourth string ay third fret. F sharp, and then E. First string ay second fret, and then second string, third string at fourth string ay fourth fret. And then strumming pattern, kagaya pa rin ng sa chorus. Sa F sharp, 4 na beses maulit. Down, down, up, down, up. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? And then balik lang ulit sa pre-chorus.